What's going on, guys? We are hopefully trading this for a dirt bike and $1,000 cash. So I get $1,000 and a dirt bike. What I originally paid for this truck. I did fix it up a little bit. I did definitely fix it up, but it definitely made its money back because I've had it for almost a year. It's been an awesome little truck. Hopefully he takes it, and hopefully I'm not just recording this for no reason. All right, they took it. There it goes. That was a damn good truck. Did me well. Hopefully it does them good too. Anyways, got the bike and $1,000 cash. Took it for a pretty good rip down the road. Runs awesome. Yeah, I can't wait to take this into the gravel pit. This is pretty nice. It just had a rebuild. The plastics are awesome. Like, it's in great shape. Started first kick for me. Does have some fork seal leaks, but that's minor. I wish that dog would shut up. All right, so I've been kind of just checking it out a little bit. I found a couple things that I don't like, but I just did a compression test, 150, and at the elevation I'm at, I'm super happy with that. Front wheel bearing, got a little bit of play, but it should be fine for a couple of rips anyways. Brake pads, front and back are worn out. And then I found this. Somebody brazed the top radiator fitting back on. It looks like it had a nasty crash at once. And then I also found some stop leak in the radiator. It doesn't leak though. So yeah, I guess I'll have to find a radiator for it, maybe, and then I'll flush that all out, but I'm not too concerned about that stuff. The exhaust is pretty dented up. It's got a bit of a low end bog. Plug looked a little wet. And we're gonna also drain the oil, warm it up and drain the oil out because I kind of noticed the clutch was a little, I think it's a little bit slipping. I've noticed that before. People just put regular motor oil in it, and then when you pop the clutch to do a wheelie or something, it doesn't grab right. It kind of feels a little slippery. Don't see that when you buy a used bike. Brand new filter. It's even an oil filter too. Decent. All right, just played with a mixture screw a little bit. Took it for a burn. Seems to be running pretty good. Who knows? Maybe they got the mix off with when they're mixing the fuel. But it's nice and brown. It's kind of a little bit black on the sides here. Maybe that's just unburnt oil or something. But change the oil. Some nice 10W40 AMS oil, the best in the business. Oh yeah, and I forgot. We're gonna get premium. Mix it with some AMS oil Dominator. That guy right there. And then that should take away the low end bog, I'm hoping. Because it kind of has a bit of a low end bog. And if it's not that, it's probably worn out reeds or bad jetting or something. But I don't know, plug looks pretty good, so I don't know. Be reeds or shitty fuel, one of the two.
Imagine if I just went right now and fucking plug.
I'd kill it. Oh, I just ate a fly. Oh, she's coming down now. So, you're getting wet?
No, it needs oil change.
It's needing an oil change all its life.
Really?
I don't know. My dad doesn't keep up on that stuff. Up there, boys, up there. Wait, how did they get up there last time? Okay. Get the fuck out of the Woo! You look like a little ant from here. What?
I thought you were gonna die.
Yeah, me too, a couple times. Thought I was gonna bog out and just be fucked.
I thought you were gonna like fall off and the fucking bike was gonna come with you and then it's gonna be like a race between you and the bike just falling down the fucking...
It doesn't really look that steep. It's not that steep. It's pretty steep, but it's not that steep. Not impressed. absolutely shreds. I haven't been on a big bike in like, not like, I had that KX250, but it was a pile. Yeah, it's so much fun. I can't believe I haven't had a bike or made it a priority to have a bike in the last couple of years, and I definitely am going to do that now. I fell off pretty good, frigged up my elbow a little bit, and I fell on my back. I went up into that bowl kind of thing, and I didn't have enough speed. I got the 2-stroke bog, and I went, ugh. And I tried to like slow myself down or not fall and like run down the hill, and I just went boop, 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 boop. Alright, but yes, if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. See you next time.